Today, we'll explore the best vacuum cleaner for all purposes. Whether you need to clean carpets or hard floors or tackle pet hair, we've got you covered. We'll check out the top 5 products that can help you keep your home spotless. For your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. First on the list is the Metabo ASR 35 AutoCleanPlus, priced at $654. This compact vacuum cleaner is perfect for both liquids and dry solids. It features automatic impulse filter cleaning, which saves time and money by keeping the suction power strong and consistent during long hours of use. The HEPA or high efficiency particulate air polyester filter cassettes are washable, adding to its longevity and reducing maintenance costs. With a 10.5-foot suction hose and included PE filter bags, it's equipped for heavy-duty cleaning. Users rave about its consistent suction even after 8 hours of continuous use and its ability to handle fine dust without clogging. The power socket that automatically activates with a power tool is a favorite feature among DIYers. Some users did mention minor issues with the noise when switching settings, but this was manageable. Despite its weight of 35 pounds, it remains a robust and reliable tool for extensive cleaning tasks. Overall, it's a fantastic investment for those who need a high-performing, durable vacuum for both home and workshop use. Second, we have the Eureka Airspeed ultra-lightweight compact bagless upright vacuum cleaner available for $143. This vacuum is incredibly lightweight at only 7.7 pounds, making it easy to carry and maneuver around the house. It features a quick release handle for effortless above floor cleaning, and its powerful suction is great for both carpets and hard floors. The 10.5-inch wide cleaning path allows you to cover more area quickly, and the washable filter eliminates maintenance costs. Users appreciate its compact design, which makes storage easy, and the included creative tool and dusting brush enhance its versatility. However, some users find the cord a bit short, which can be a hassle when cleaning large areas. The vacuum's powerful suction can make it difficult to push on thicker carpets, but it's highly effective at picking up dirt and hair. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight, powerful vacuum that's easy to maintain and store. Next on our list is the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet Upright, priced at $98. This vacuum is designed specifically for pet owners, featuring a triple action brush roll that effectively picks up pet hair. Its 27-foot power cord automatically rewinds for easy storage, and the swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze. The vacuum includes specialized pet tools like the Pet Hair Corner tool and Pet Turbo Eraser tool. Users praise its strong suction and the convenience of the automatic cord rewind. The edge-to-edge cleaning feature ensures that no dirt is left behind along walls and corners. Some users find it heavy and hard to maneuver on stairs, but its powerful cleaning performance and ease of use make it a popular choice. Additionally, BISSELL donates up to $10 to their pet foundation for every pet product purchase, which is a nice bonus for pet lovers. Overall, it's a great vacuum for pet owners who need a reliable and effective cleaning tool. Fourth, we have the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum, available for $69. This lightweight canister vacuum weighs only 8 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. It features an integrated airflow control on the handle that can be easily switched between different surfaces. The 2.5-liter dust container is bagless and uses washable filters, reducing maintenance costs. Users love the 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool, which is always within reach and never gets lost. The automatic cord rewind saves time and hassle, and the one-button release for the dust cup makes emptying easy. Some users find the cord a bit short, but overall they appreciate its strong suction and quiet operation. The vacuum is highly effective on both hard floors and carpets, although it performs best on hard surfaces. Despite some minor drawbacks, it's a great value for money and an excellent choice for everyday cleaning tasks. Lastly, the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum is priced at $159. This vacuum features a lift-up design for versatile handheld cleaning above floors and on stairs. The no-touch bag technology makes emptying the vacuum easy and mess-free. Its powerful bag chamber ensures strong suction even as the bag fills, and the HEPA filtration system captures more dust and allergens. Users appreciate its lightweight design and swivel steering, making it easy to maneuver. The LED headlights help eliminate dark areas, ensuring thorough cleaning. Some users find the motor not as strong as expected, but the overall performance and convenience of the vacuum are highly praised. The long cord allows for extended reach, reducing the need to switch outlets frequently. Despite some design flaws, such as the placement of the cord wrap pieces, it remains a popular choice for its powerful suction and ease of use. Overall, it's a solid vacuum that delivers excellent cleaning performance with the added benefit of a HEPA filtration. So, in conclusion, these 5 vacuum cleaners each offer unique features and benefits for all-purpose cleaning. Whether you prioritize lightweight design, powerful suction, or specialized pet tools, there's a vacuum on this list to meet your needs and keep your home spotless. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Till next time.